Alright guys, today, the local Google guide here from Irvine, California Woodbridge is going to show you how to get to A&J, one of my favorite restaurants where you can get noodles, tofu and stuff like that, which is vegan friendly, but again, it's not just vegan, it's good for everybody who wants to eat there. They have meat dishes as well. Anyway, here we go, let's go there. It'll be a pretty fun trip, and hopefully it'll be smooth sailing all the way. Sometimes we get some crazy drivers. California. Anyway, let's make a left here off of Yale Loop onto this nice street here, and make sure to indicate. Make sure to tell people that you're going right or left. We're going right here as we pass these beautiful cherry blossoms on our left. Okay, so make sure we stop here. And alright, we can go safely, freely. And let's follow that speed limit. Make sure you indicate before you change lane. Don't do what I see people do all the time, which is they're already making the turn or changing the lane, and then they start clicking the button. What does that help? How does that help, huh? Anyway, taking it nice and slow, changing that lane, with a little bit of Adele in the background. YouTube and Susan W, please don't censor my audio just because there's Adele in the background. I didn't plan this. It just happened to be there. Wow, so we're driving behind Varsity here. There's this car here is set up for student drivers, so they'll teach new drivers how to drive. They have these vehicles all around Irvine, and it's great. Let's teach the new generations how to drive properly. That would be